Zafar from the Zafar tutorial. So today's by topic is about the adverbial. So first of all, I am going to tell you about the definition of adverbial. So adverbial is a prepositional phrase or an adverb. So this is an adverbial definition. It is a prepositional phrase or an adverb. This is the definition of an adverbial. So I am going to understand you how an adverbial makes. I really need a rest. This is the sentence. I write a 4 sentence. I really is an adverb, and last when ly comes, it shows that it is an adverb. All must know. So if you don't know, I am telling you, if ly is coming in any words in the last, so it is an adverb. So it is an adverb. So now really is what? Really is an adverb. So that is why we call this is called an adverbial. Now in other sentence, I make an prepositional phrase. Of is prepositional, preposition and course. This is the of course is a prepositional phrase. So this is also an adverbial. This is also an adverbial. So it is used as subject. Sometimes it is adverbial used as a subject. Now in here it is also used as subject. Adverbial also used as a in the last of the extension in the sentence. This is also an adverbial. Yesterday, actually, this is an adverbial can be used in both as a subject, object, as a mid in the sentence. So we can use the adverb as in these kind of the situation. So in the last sentence, this is also a prepositional phrase. To everyone's surprise, this is a prepositional phrase. So we call this an adverbial. David actually bought Palani a present yesterday. Yesterday is also adverbial, and actually is also an adverbial. So this is short information about the adverbials. So what is adverbials? Today we read that adverbials is a prepositional phrase or an adverb. So if you understand and like this lecture, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.